'Twas the week before Christmas, and down on Front Street, the team was at work, not missing a beat. The cameras were placed on the racks with great care in hopes that the holidays soon would be there. The lights were all packed snug in their cases, while Evan checked to see he'd covered the bases. And Mariah in her hoodie and Allie in her cap had projects to edit. No time for a nap. When out on the roof there arose such a clatter that Bryan sprang from his desk to see what was the matter. Away to the window he flew like a flash, raised up the shades and threw up the sash. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave the luster of midday to the objects below. When what to his wondering eyes should appear but Orville, our drone, flying quite near. And with a path so lively and quick, some might confuse Orville for jolly Saint Nick. More rapid than eagles, Orville flew through the sky. He whirled and he twirled as Bryan let out a sigh. Now Orville, stop Orville, come down from up there. Stop flying as though you haven't a care. There's work to be done, animations to create, stories to tell so that all can relate. Then Steve appeared and the trick became clear. He was flying the drone, there was nothing to fear. While inside the shop there was such a flurry to get projects done, we knew we had to scurry. So Amelia designed, Janelle wrote cool scripts, and John made magic with After Effects. And Clay, he's new, but he was hard at work too. Our goal is quite lofty, not something to fear, to make customers happy throughout the whole year. Just think in a twinkling this year will be done. It was sometimes hard, but it was awfully fun. And so as we close, it seems quite right to wish happy holidays to all and to all a good night.